Hi, this is a quick tutorial on how to use Visual Studio Code with Copilot to ask it to explain code to you. In this example, we're going to show you how to use Copilot to ask it about your code. So in this case, we're specifically going to ask it about app.tsx. So app.tsx is already in its context because it's the current active window here. So you can just type in / and explain. Or you can ask Copilot about app.tsx in the chat. And as you can see here, it's given an explanation about the current file. Now, if I want it to only explain a certain thing in the file or certain parts of the file, what you can do is you can select what you want it to explain, and then you can go to Copilot and explain. This is a very useful feature in helping you understand undocumented code. So another thing you can have Copilot do along the same lines is actually ask it to document code. So in this case, let's say I wanted to document this function app. So I would just select it and then go back and go Copilot and ask it to generate docs. And you can read the docs, and if you like it, you can accept the changes. And there you see it has proper JavaScript documentation, and you can save that. So another thing you can have Copilot do is generate a README for your entire project. However, this could be one of those things that takes up a lot of tokens. So in this case, I want to start a new chat, change to agent mode, give it the context of my whole workspace, and then ask it to please generate a README for this project. Include how to set up, start, and stop this project. And as you can see here, it has generated a README for this project. So have fun with some of the Copilot features. If there are other things you would like to know how to do in Copilot, please leave comments below. Thank you.